Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change background color of any section in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's click on this customize right here on our theme. And then in here, I should be able to open my Shopify editor. Now, for example, I have these templates and I want to actually edit out the background for this one. So what I can do is I can actually just edit or click on this and I have in here the option for this one. So what I can do is I can actually just edit out the color scheme. So click on change right here and I can change it to however I want. As you can see, it has been changed. Now, for example, you don't want to use this navy blue thing. You can click on this edit right here and you can click on this background and you can choose which color you want. For example, let's choosing here orange, and as you can see, it has changed that. So you can just do this at any template or any section of the page that you want. You can actually just choose any color that you want to use for this. It totally depends on you. And once you have done that, make sure to click on save right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.